Hello and welcome to Senco Golden Diamonds, Borivali store at Mumbai. I'm Roopsha and it's such a pleasure to be back here with the amazing customers. और आज के लिए शुरू करते हैं और एक एपिसोड ऑफ शोना कथा कथा शोना जिसका मतलब है Golden Conversations are always meant to continue. Welcome to another episode.
Namaste. Welcome to Senco Golden Diamond Borivali.
मेरा नाम है सोनल मेहुल जाखरिया। मैं बोरीवली ईस्ट में रहती हूँ, रायजा में रहती हूँ। मेरा खुद का शॉप है श्री महावीर ड्राई फ्रूट। मैं मेरी डॉटर है।
आई एम मेलोनी मेहुल जाखरिया। आई एम अ लॉ स्टूडेंट लास्ट ईयर एंड राइट नाउ भी हम ज्वेलरी खरीदने आए।
My name is Deepa Dagya. Working, it's around 25 years for me being into the corporate life.
My name is Fenal Soni. I am based in Borivali, Mumbai, and I have been in occult science from the past 2.5 years. I'm working as a numerologist right now and helping people in name correction, mobile numerology, and other occult fields like Vastu and crystals, gemstones. My experience walking into your Senco store has been amazing. It's been wonderful interacting with all your staff. They all are very amazing, very helpful and very cooperative. And I like all your collections, especially in platinum gold jewelry, solitaire pieces, and also the gold collections. So I'm quite happy with the experience that I have in Senco.
If I speak about the gold jewelry, I've been purchasing gold jewelry since independently 10 plus years now. Specifically, if you ask me about Senco, what excites me or what flags up Senco different from other brands is their craftsmanship, the workmanship. The designs are so unique. I love the design and the craftsmanship. They're very neat, very clean, and very precise. And even in the low grammage, the minimum, if anybody just wants to pick up something randomly, you still have a choice. So that's one. Another positive thing which comes around is with the staff. Okay, they know what they are doing. They know the operation or the technicality of what is the product, how it comes. When it comes to billing, they know very well, okay, this is something which is coming from the corporate, from the Senco. This is what would help our customers, So I like those things, when they know their job well. And they're quite warming, welcoming.
कियारा अडवाणी का जो
पोस्टर सेट है वो
डायमंड का
You prefer gold, diamond, platinum. What's your favorite?
गोल्ड।
Oh, मम्मी और बेटी एक साथ कोरस में gold. So I can see some lovely gold sets here.
यस।
I think I would like to have a full range collection of solitaire, a solitaire, big solitaire diamond ring, a solitaire neck piece, and a big solitaire, big diamond earrings. So that would be my dream collection that I would like to have. One day it's going to be, I'm going to buy it. That's my dream thing, the big one.
My next item on the wish list is this one. This is on my wish list. And I have also got one set from Senco, which I never dreamed would come in the budget range, good weight, and the excellent design. That was also one which I already procured, and this is next on my hit list.
For years, women have matched jewelry with outfits. But not every piece looks as good when worn as it is on the prop. Why? Because each face is unique. That's why at Senco Gold and Diamonds we have created Shape of You, where we help you choose jewelry that complements the shape of your face. For example, round face shines in angular designs, while softer curves flatter square faces. Triangular faces, perfect for teardrops. Oblong face looks amazing in chandelier. Oval and heart shape, almost any design works. At Senco Gold and Diamonds, our 85-year legacy of trust comes from mastering karigari, impeccable craftsmanship that turns jewelry into treasured heirloom. Because the right jewelry doesn't just match your outfit, it celebrates you. That's the Senco difference. That's the shape of you. Don't just wear the jewelry, own it. Own it for you.
मेरा नाम अनुष्का है, मैं सेंको में डिज़ाइनर हूँ और हम लोगों ने शेप ऑफ यू करके एक टेक्नोलॉजी लॉन्च किया है जिसमें कि आप मोबाइल में से देख सकते हो कि आपका फेस का शेप कौन सा है एंड आपके ऊपर कौन सा ज्वेलरी आपको सूट करता है. सो दैट इज़ बेसिकली शेप ऑफ यू. हर एक के फेस के शेप्स अलग अलग होते हैं, जैसे कि राउंड होता है, ओवल होता है, स्क्वायरिश होता है, ट्रायंगुलर होता है, हार्ट होता है. सो बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन योर फेस शेप हम लोग कस्टमर को ज्वेलरी प्रेफर करते हैं कि आपके फेस के ऊपर कौन सा ज्वेलरी सूट होगा. ये राउंड शेप है, ये ट्रायंगल शेप है, ये ओवल शेप है, ये ऑब्लोंग है, ये राउंड है एंड ये स्क्वायर है. तो हम लोग ये फेस के हिसाब से आपको ज्वेलरी प्रेफर करेंगे. आप जब शोरूम में आओगे, अदरवाइज फोन पे आप ट्राई करोगे, तो हम आपको आपके फेस के हिसाब से आपको ज्वेलरी प्रेफर करेंगे. सो मैम, आपका फेस का टाइप है राउंड, ठीक है. तो आपका फोरहेड एंड आपका जो ये जॉ लाइन है दैट विल बी द इक्वल. सो आपके फेस के हिसाब से मैं आपको एक नेकलेस सजेस्ट करती हूँ, वो खाली आप एक बार ट्राई कर लीजिए. और मैम आपके लिए भी एक मैं वी शेप का नेकलेस दिखाती हूँ, वो खाली एक बार आप ट्राई कर लो, देन यू विल फील द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ दीज.
When I come to Senco Gold and Diamonds, I will never wear my any other jewelry because when I come here, it's all about wearing the best. And with me, I have Anushka, who is an expert in selecting what should be the jewelry that will suit my face. So Anushka, I know you're very confused about my shape. So आपको क्या लगता है मुझे क्या पहनना चाहिए?
मैम आपको मेरे हिसाब से दिस विल सूट द बेस्ट और दिस
Okay.
वन. So you can try anything. This will look better on
That's
you.
oh, this.
Got a gorgeous round face with soft curves and full cheeks? Lucky you. Here's the secret for a perfect jewelry match. Go for the angular, modern ones, like those that have wide, edgy designs. For you, it's all about creating the perfect angular contrast that highlights your soft features. That is the shape of you.
The face, the structure, and what kind of jewelry
The person will suit.
the person
Works with
suit.
him. Yeah.
So this is something that is newly we have.
Launching.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ये 3 लाइंस के ऊपर क्लिक करोगे, then you will see the shape of you. So ये हमारा
AI का.
AR वाला है. So you can get started. Agree. So you can scan the face.
Heart-shaped beauties. You have a versatile face that complements various designs. With a wide forehead and delicate chin, your features are very feminine and look great with designs such as drops and dangles that add length and weight below. Frame that graceful heart shape perfectly by creating perfect balance. That is the shape of you.
Her face is round basically. So for her, there may be some long arms or something long like V shape or Y shape. It will suit to her shape. Ma'am's face is also round only. So for her also something you can try in V shape or Y shape. That will suits to your face also. This part is equal.
Yeah.
So it will be better if you try something in long. So I think this will suit to your face.
It's looking pretty, yeah. It's very delicate and very elegant look.
Ma'am is wearing a kind of
Something like
But
that.
these stones are?
ma'am, these are Polki uncut diamonds and these are semi-precious.
Semi-precious.
I would love to check what is the calculation for this today itself.
Like within 2 lakhs.
Super.
Well, for all the ladies and all the gents, you can make your ladies happy by buying them jewelry, gold and diamonds in Senco Diamonds and Jewelry. As it will help your pocket also, it's very pocket friendly and ladies will be happy just by buying the jewelry.
मैं सोच रही हूँ नेक्स्ट शॉपिंग मेरा यही रहेगा.
Diamonds.
Diamond.
Next shopping will be diamond.
बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है आपके ऊपर. Diamonds are actually suiting you very well.
Yeah.
It is looking very very beautiful.
और इनका डायमंड का वो शाइन भी बहुत सुपर्ब है.
Absolutely, it's all quality check and the best. Senco में आपका क्वालिटी को लेके कभी भी
हाँ,
कोई compromise
कोई
नहीं.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है. वही खुश रहना है तो हमेशा हस्बैंड से डायमंड का ही शॉपिंग करवा. सब लेडीज की चॉइस डायमंड फर्स्ट रहती है, तो मैं वही बोलूँगी लेडीज और जेंट्स को दोनों को सेंको से ही शॉपिंग करनी चाहिए.
in 24 hours, take minimum 20 minutes or at least 10 minutes. Do whatever you want. Whatever. It can be singing in the shower, it can be dancing, it can be kicking, it can be just blurring out, it can be listening, whatever you feel. Just do it.
I think the secret of being happy forever, okay, is only just to be yourself. You should not compare yourself to anybody. Just remember one thing, that we all are unique in our own way. And if we start, respecting that the Creator who has given us the birth on this earth, उसने कुछ सोच के ही हमें जन्म दिया है. So we should think however it is, like, whether we are fair, dark, tall, slim, whatever it is, but we are all unique in our own ways. Once we appreciate that, once we realize that, okay, I'm unique in this world and I've come on this planet with some purpose, then you're all set. You're sorted completely. Okay, and just be yourself. We don't need to copy anybody. Once you're happy in your own skin, in your own way, nobody can beat you. That's it.
True.
So at the Borivali store, we are going to have a little game, and we have 2 trays, one of lovely earrings and the other of bangles. And we have the lovely, wonderful women. So thank you so very much for your time. So we're going to place this in front of you. It's all mismatched. You're going to be given 45 seconds and you have to pair them back together in the right format. Okay?
Okay.
So let's get the game to them. आपके लिए है earrings and मैम आपके लिए है bangles. Now.
Done.
Oh my God! Both of y'all are done. With women, I think even आँख बंद करके भी वो लोग कर सकते हैं ना.
I think it's because of the visual we know, which design.
So this is so amazing that
First who does will get a gift.
We should have a prize money for this.
I'm too. I don't have words to say because y'all took less than 20 seconds to put the diamonds back. So y'all are so much in love with diamonds.
15 seconds for me, 3-4 seconds more for you.
Yeah, a few seconds less for you and a few seconds more because I think the bangles were a little more. But I'm just curious, like, if I ask you, you love diamonds as much as?
Diamonds as much as, the Victoria Memorial in Calcutta?
Yes.
I've been there. I love it to the core. I love it that much.
Wow, that's such an amazing answer. Senco is a brand which is 85 years of legacy and born out of Bengal, and you connecting it to Victoria.
Yeah.
आपने तो दिल जीत लिया. How was the experience of pairing it back? Because आप लोगों के लिए था ये बाएं हाथ का काम.
I think it's because we women are so, used to, we have this visual, core of seeing things, and we are like regular at all the jewelry store. Whether we buy it or not, that's a different thing. But we just want to see, what new collection is there, what kind of designs have come, and all the patterns and all that. So we are so used to it that at the moment when I saw it, I know which will go with which one, Only I think it was just to remove it and pair it. That took the time. Otherwise, I was like bang on, कि ये इसका ही pair है, इसका ही pair है.
Absolutely. And how was the experience?
It was amazing. It was wonderful.
I'm still looking at the design now. I'm looking at the weights. कौन सा है?
कौन सा लेना है अभी?
कौन सा लेना है?
अभी गले में जो पहना है उसको भी तो लेना है.
उसको भी लेना है.
The list is just
increasing.
So while you all are selecting, there's a little something that we would like to give both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
A little something.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मनोज है. मैं सेनको गोल्ड बोरोली मुंबई की तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ. इस त्योहार में आपने जो प्यार दिया और आगे भी इसी तरह बने रहिए. थैंक यू.
पहले आउटफिट के साथ ज्वेलरी मैच करना सच अ टास्क, पर अब थैंक्स टू सेनको स्टाइल एक्सपर्ट्स मुझे मिल गया है ज्वेलरी स्टाइलिंग का परफेक्ट चीट कोड। उन्होंने मेरे फेस शेप के हिसाब से कुछ ऐसे डिजाइन सजेस्ट किए जो मेरे लुक को और भी एनहांस करते हैं, जैसे कि इयररिंग्स, और ये भी परफेक्ट ना। अब मैं हूं हमेशा ज्वेलरी रेडी।